Hello friends, welcome to ElectroPixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hi friends, once again welcome back to ElectroPixels. Today in this video we are going to repair this 43-inch Hisense LED TV with the fault blank display, here in this TV, as we discussed, the complaint is due to internal shorting in gate signals inside the glass panel. The shorting may be either from the left side or right side of the glass panel. If both sides panel gate signals are short, then it's not repairable. Here the panel T-con board is integrated with the main board. First let's us remove the right side FFC cable and check the picture is okay or not. See friends, now the left side half portion of the display comes. This means that the panel gate signal shorting is with the right side, so here we need to block the last 15 lines on the right side FFC cable. For that, here we implementing the taping method for masking the gate signals. Anyway, here we blocked the gate signals. Now let's reconnect the right side gate signals and check the picture. See friends, now picture comes with graphics. Now the panel complaint is solved and the TV started working. But friends, always remember that this is just only a temporary solution. Permanent solution is always panel replacement, and we can't predict how long the display will work using this method. It completely depends on user luck basis. So that's it. Hope you like this video. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification. Thank you for watching.